He has done it all. Jesus, he has done it all. I'm proud, I'm so proud, because he has done it all. Today is on Tuesday, the 12:00. Let me begin my work. Yesterday I was in Qatar with manager James Bowen, and today was at 9 p.m. I'm supposed to travel in Canada. Yeah, but I didn't book my private jet. I booked it, so I'm supposed to move out of office at 8:30. Yeah. Oh, but I have a job interview in this office. Today I was supposed to people to come to my office for a job interview. Yeah. Hey, who is knocking over there? Please come in. Thank you, sir. Kwa majina naitwa Johnson Mwakushuto. He is coming for a job interview. I see the post over there. I take the number. I call it. So, and I told you to come today on Tuesday morning. Yeah, that's great of you, kijana. I hope you are qualified for a job. So we need your certificate so that to check whether you are qualified for a job interview or not. If you are qualified, we will make you know after checking out your details. Okay, kijana? Excuse me, sir, please. Niko na death certificate. Death certificate. Yes, sir. Death certificate? Kijana, you are coming to my office with a death certificate. Na unasema ni yako na uko hapo umekaa. Uliona wapi interview yote ikaandikwa na death certificate? Toka. The office zenu ni stress tu. Kwani hata nikiwa na death certificate hapo siwezi pata kazi. Death certificate hapo kumbe ina maana.